4 gloves, so you're getting these, but wait a minute. Do you hear a sound over here? I've got a pair on. Well, the tea is certainly ready, isn't it? But I'm feeling the heat, the warmth from the tea kettle. But you know what? You just heard it screaming. This is really hot. 800 in the show have already been ordered. And did you say, Sean, 2,100? 2,800 for the day. Let me bring you over and show you your choices. Because again, you get 4 gloves. You get 2 pair. Starting up here, you have your choice of the small or the large. I've put them on in the large. Quite frankly, I would wear the small, but I'm comfortable in either size. So we'll talk about that more in a moment. Here they are in the blue. Sliding on down. Here's gray damask, green, black, yellow, watermelon. So cute. Those are the ones that I have on. They have little watermelon slices on them. And then patriotic. Look at that with the little ice cream cones. Oh, wait. That is ice cream. Cute little ice cream cones on them. Patriotics right next door with fireworks on it. Then we have the hummingbird. Beautiful hummingbirds there. Then we have romance with hearts. And then we have taupe polka dot at the very end of our row. Sliding on over to Nista, still available. Egg hunt, still available. Ladybug, available. Paw Fetty is available. And, oh, actually, not true. Paw Fetty is gone. And if you want nautical, we have 6 dozen small and 2 dozen in the large. Now, you're getting them for $18.80, and of course, it's free ship day. Would you like the large watermelon slices, my friend?
The large watermelon slices. Thank you, Mary.
I'm gonna take. You are so welcome. I'm gonna take the Paw Fetty with me because it's gone.
Did it sell out?
It sure did. It sure did. Thank you, David.
These gloves are amazing. Have we invited in our guests yet, Mary? Not yet. Okay. So I wanted to let you know that this is an extraordinary buy. Now, before you get to, and probably I should switch to this other one, only because I want to show you what you're getting. You're not getting 1 pair here, you're getting 2. So I'm going to put 1 pair on of the patriotic, which is my favorite. And then I'm going to pick up the other pair to remind you that you're getting 2 pair in this pack up. So what are you getting? Take a look here. We'll come back to me. You get 1 pair and you get 2. So I've got 1 on and 1 on me. So 3,000 now ordered for today. 1,000 in this show already, $18.80 and 5 easy payments and free shipping and handling. You get 2 pair. Lisa Lasorte is our Temp-tations team member joining us today on the line. And Lisa, so great to have you back. As always, a popular item, already 1,000 gone in this show. Everyone's super excited about these. Tell us about your gloves.
Yeah, so David, these are for anyone who cooks, who bakes, who touches a hot dish, who has an oven, a microwave, a stove. In other words, they're for everybody, and they're great for the grill as well. This is how we design them. So it's combed cotton that will not allow heat to transfer through the surface. Can I feel warmth? Yes, I can, but I'm not getting burned and my hands are safe. How does that happen? It's because of the construction, David. What we did here was, when I turned it inside out, is it's layer upon layer upon layer of combed cotton right there. That's what doesn't allow the heat to transfer through. There's no right hand, no left hand. We did silicone on both sides. I need to move my tea kettle. Silicone on both sides so that you can grip your hot, heavy things, which is just amazing, in 2 sizes. So the small is like a small medium. Perfect for my hands. I could definitely go up to the large as well, or medium large. They are meant to fit like a glove that you would wear outside in the snow. So it's not meant to fit too snug. Long length right there, so that when you go into the oven, you reach into the grill, you pick up your potatoes, you are not going to get burned.
Or if you are dumping the pasta into the strainer and the pot is super, super hot like this one, I can stay back, not have to worry about the steam, and go ahead and pour all of that out as easily and quickly as you please. Now, I can tell you we've taken orders for 3,600 on the day, 1,600 in this show. I have 700 customers on the phone lines. Is that right? All right, so let's take you through your color choices. And I believe we have small and large and everything, don't we? Okay, a few updates as we go through. Here's the blue. We have both small and we have both small and large, yes. And then this gray damask, most popular. Do I have that in both? Okay, here's the green, both, the black, both, hello yellow, both, watermelon, ice cream, I think we're calling that ice cream, yes, patriotic, Very popular. We still have both. The next one is called, I believe, Nista. Is that Nista? No, that's Hummingbird. Beside that is Romance, right? And then beside that is the taupe polka dots. The gray one is Nista, this one. Then we have for you the Egg Hunt, the Ladybug, and finally the Nautical. Nautical is gone. All right. Lisa, take your nauticals off there because it's gone. All right. Put that in.
Yeah.
Right.
And David, those seasonal patterns that you're taking away now, you will not see these again on this time in next year, so 2023, which is just amazing. But again, when you think about it, when you go into the oven, what do? Sometimes we grab our towels like this, right? Make sure your hands are safe. These are great for the guys, they're great for the girls, even when you're doing things like holding your pans. So you now I'm free from splatter. I can hold my pan from the handle, I can put my hand underneath it. No matter how I touch this, I'm safe. And if you just want to follow me over to the oven right here, I want to show you something pretty amazing, that I can literally touch the sides of my oven. If by mistake, and David, we all do this, right? You go in to reach a baker and right here, you burn the side of your wrist. That will not happen anymore. And look, I can even pull out the oven rack with the glove on. All you're going to do if they get dirty is just machine wash them. Let them air dry because of the silicone on the outside, and then you're ready to go again. But with 2 sets, you will always be ready.
Oh, and speaking of ready, so is our tea kettle, boiling hot, and I'm going to put it on my glove. Now, can I feel heat through the glove? Sure. Is it scalding my hand? No. Do you see my face wincing? We'll come back and show my face. No wincing. I feel the heat through the glove, but it's not blistering my hand the way it would be if I were using a towel or, my heavens, using nothing at all, which I highly do not recommend. So this is why we're so excited about these. We're getting very busy on our phone lines. Lots of you are making your choice now. Let me encourage you to, okay, you're going to need to pipe down. All right. Hey, 5,200 have now been ordered on the day.
Wow.
3,200 in this show. Lisa's showing you how you can use those little silicone grippers to open up stubborn jars, pick up the baked potatoes. I have been baking sweet potatoes recently, more on my eating plan, and they, you know, make them the same way, wrap them in the foil, pop them in the oven, put them on the barbecue, whatever you have, work out really nicely. Let me take you through, and we'll update you all as we go on whether or not we have small and large in the colors we're showing you. Here's the blue. We have both small and large. Gray damask. We have both. Here's green, both. Black, both. Hello yellow, both. Watermelon, both. This is ice cream, both. Patriotic. Very popular. 700 small, 350 in the large. Then I have it for you in a hummingbird, both. Not Romance, also both. This is the taupe polka dot, both. This is Nista. We have both. This is Egg Hunt. 300 small, 400 large, and finally I have Ladybug. 100 small and 5 dozen large. Let me show you what you're getting again, because I want to be very clear about this. You're getting not just one pair, you're getting 2. Look at that. So 4 total gloves, 2 pair, $18.80, 5 easy payments and free shipping and handling. 6,200 now gone for the day. 4,200 in this show. And what was that, Sean? And 1,200 customers on the phone lines. Lisa, I love how far these come up, because even on someone as tall as I am, they still give me plenty of clearance well up over my wrist. So that way when I'm reaching into the oven or I'm over the barbecue, I'm protected, right?
Yeah, that's exactly right. This is why these are essential pieces, David, because this is about safety in the kitchen. So again, whether you cook, whether you eat, you have a grill, a microwave, think about getting your coffee cup out in the morning or that bowl. Your hands are now protected. They're not going to get burned. They're forgiving in sizes. So truly, you can probably wear either the small or the large because of the forgiving size. And to your point, you get that extra cuff right there. But let's talk about the construction. Why are they so heat resistant? Well, it's that comb cotton that's right inside of here. Do you see how thick and plush that is right there? It is layer upon layer of comb cotton. What that does is it does not allow the heat to transfer through. That's why that extreme demo of holding a tea kettle on your hand, you know when it's about to whistle, right? You can see the steam coming through, yet all I feel is warmth. And then the silicone on both sides give me that great grip, so I feel very secure holding those hot pieces and carrying them from the oven to the table. And David, I bet you love them for the barbecue.
I do love them for barbecue because you know me, Lisa. I'm out on the barbecue. I was just out on the barbecue last night. And so this is why having something this a bit longer makes a big difference. I love all things patriotic. So again, you're getting 1, 2 pair. Look at that. 4 total gloves. This is an extraordinary pack up. I can let you know now that for the day, 7,500 have been ordered for the day in this show alone. Over 5,500 have been spoken for. We are very, very busy. Please utilize QVC.com and your mobile app. I might also consider Carrier Pigeon at this point to get your order in. If you are in your shopping cart, and this is in your shopping cart, check out now. Lisa, if we sell out of any of our seasonal patterns, we don't see those back again until this time next year. Is that right?
Yeah, that's exactly right. And you know what's so much fun about the seasonal is that they make you smile, right? These are things that we need to have in our kitchen. You're getting 4 gloves for this price. It's just amazing. And the care again, machine wash, which is just so great. And then you're going to let them air dry. And that's because of the silicone on the outside. So you're always at the ready. But I love the fact that we have the watermelons, the ice cream cones, all those fun things that remind us of summer, but they're only available right now.
Exactly. I can tell you now that 8,500 have been ordered for the day in this show alone, 6,500. And we've got the blue in both the small and large, gray damask in both. I also have the green, the black, the hello yellow, the watermelon, ice cream, patriotic, small only now in patriotic. This is hummingbird, romance, taupe polka dots. This is Nista, egg hunt, and ladybug has sold out. Now, before we wrap up, I'm going to come back here and grab some mac and cheese. Why? Because I can. Yeah. And bring some mac and cheese hot from the oven. We also have some little cheese curds. These are little breaded cheese curds. I'm gonna put those down because I could eat that whole platter, whole thing, right there, just me. All right, not to mention the mac and cheese. Hey, we are very, very busy. In fact, I will encourage you to stay on the line, utilize QVC.com and your mobile apps. How many are gone now? 9,000 on the day, and in this show alone, over 7,000 with how many folks on the phone lines? 1,500 people waiting to place an order. Hey, Lisa, the dinnerware already super popular.
Can't wait.
Gonna be big. Free shipping on the dinnerware. We're gonna be talking about it. We're also going to be talking to you about Lock and Lock. Am I talking about this?